vlog. It's morning time now. It's morning time now.
Love.
We're on the couch. It's sitting on the couch.
You know that Hannah Montana that'd be like in the intro. Yeah.
I know what you're talking about. Yeah. Whoa, whoa. Let's try this again. Good morning, everybody. Hello. So we're back here and in the backyard. It's really cute, really nice. I was trying to find a place to film, but this is what we settled on. But yeah, today's our first day in Atlanta. Woo! So that's fun. I'm really excited. We're gonna go check out Spelman, and I don't know about if we're doing that today. I think we're doing that today. So we're gonna see Spelman, Morehouse, Clark Atlanta, because I wanted to see those places. But I think that's gonna be fun, and we're gonna go to some other places, and you guys are just gonna come along with me. I'm excited because I haven't vlogged or anything in like forever, and I was like, man, I need to get back on this. And now, hold on, I don't want this. And now we're back, and that's fun. Oh, let me do a little fit check for you guys. So you guys, let's do a fit check. Can y'all see me? This is what I'm wearing. This is the fit. I really hope y'all can see me. But yeah. Oh shit, I almost slipped. Super hungry though. We're gonna go out to eat right now. This is the back of my hair. This is my hair. This is my hair. This is what it looks like in the bag. I just wanted to show the thing really, but this is what my hair is looking like. I think it looks nice. What's more color? I haven't had my hair done in forever, so like this, I'm like, I look super cute. Okay, but I think like everybody's almost ready to go. This is the bag. Kipling. Cute, right? I got it at a thrift store. It was like freaking $4. So I was like, what a steal. No, I got a water bottle. Let's turn off the TV. We don't want copyright. Power off. Oh, and then my AirPod case. Got the AirPods. Can't forget those. Yo, these AirPod Pros, I don't know if anybody, I know people have tried them, but they're hecka cool. Like the little noise cancellation. Hecka cool. I'm gonna go get my charger. Just got the block. The rest of it is in the car. So. This is really good lighting though. Hey y'all! It's fucking bright! This light is bright. Anyway, we made it to the spot we're about to eat at. It's called, what is this place called?
It's called Milk and Honey.
Milk and Honey. This is our first destination of the day. So that's exciting. I think the food's gonna be real good. I see a lot of white people, but that's okay. That's okay. So yeah, that's fine. Yeah, we're gonna go and enjoy our food and have a good day. Oh, Samo! Yeah! We're here! And we are ready. Y'all, don't be mad at me. I forgot to record my food, and we at the next destination. We're at this nice little he over there. What is this? "533 Arbor Avenue." This is where we at. And we about to go see Martin Luther King house. But yeah, I did not record my food or anything. I apologize. I'll do better next time. I was hungry. I'm excited for this place as well. The sun is shining. It feels really good. With the layers. It's giving fall. Are we giving fall? It's giving fall.
I said, hey, she said, yeah, evil spirits. It's water, evil spirits will cross water. I said, oh, Nana, you mean haunt. Y'all, she wrote her eyes and her neck at the same time. Nah, baby, it's haint. Keep them haints out my house. If you go to... Good? Awesome, I'm gonna hop on.
Active by night? He going crazy.
However, there is a piano. Dr. King's mother and grandmother were teachers, but they're also musicians. So they tried to get the two boys to learn how to play the piano, and it was an instant rebellion. They did not want to do it flat out. AD runs out to the garage. This was before that accident. Picked up a hammer and started hitting the keys with the hammer and actually broke one. Martin took it a step further, got a screwdriver, and removed all the screws out of his teacher's bench. So when the teacher sat on...
We at the next spot, y'all. And I'm excited because look at this. Look how pretty. Look at the detail.
5 points.
Look at the detail. This right here. This right here. Details. In the details. It's in the details. I know y'all see this. Never be afraid to make noise and get in good trouble. Necessary trouble. Y'all heard him. Whew, I'm tired. I'm low-key tired. Like, we've been in the car going place to place. I'm already tired, but I'm still excited to like see more stuff. Like, look, this just so beautiful, y'all. Like, look at that. Look at that. Whoever like drew these, you're amazing. You're amazing. Look how cute this is. Y'all, look at these. Look at these. Mind you, this is like a thrift store. So like, whatchamacallit? Everything's not like super expensive. Well, not full price at least. I'm not gonna say not super expensive, but.
Let's take a picture, y'all.
Oh, look at these bags. I like these.
Oh, the panties.
We're gonna take a picture. Hold on. There probably were some gems, but we didn't even stay that long. We didn't stay that long. It's like a high-end thrift store. Like what I'm seeing are like high-end thrift stores, which is cool. Because they have like better quality for like cheaper price. But we're gonna go to a different one now because they didn't want to sit and look through, so that's okay. We can look at other places, and that's exactly what we're gonna do.
Active by night. He going crazy. Active by night. He going crazy.
Place now. I got a book. I got this book. I know if you are on your spiritual journey, you probably heard this book for all my ladies out there. And I finally got it. Real nice. You got a book? Yeah, I got a book. Hi guys, we're in the mall. I was in the car and I fell asleep. Oh my god, I'm so tired. But we're in the mall right now. We're in Lennox Mall. It's the really big mall. It's really nice. We just got in here. We started exploring. But really big, really nice. It's really cool. Yo, I need to I'm looking at myself, front camera. I need to get something off my chest. I don't know what to do, y'all, because I don't want to talk about it right here. But I do want to talk about it. Just so I can, get it off my chest. And if I talk about it out loud, maybe I can come to a conclusion. Yeah. We're just exploring. We're exploring the mall right now, and we're gonna see how this goes. We're gonna see what we find. So, we're in Zara right now, and this Zara's so nice. I'm just gonna say, I love the vibe that this gives. Like, I don't know how to explain it. It's just like the people. The people look so cool. I just love how people really express themselves throughout their clothing and stuff. That's so cool. That's so cool to me. I want to be around people like that because I'm a person like that. Look at me. That's the vibe I want. Right, sis?
What's that, sugar?
Powdered sugar.
I got one.
You're annoying.
Know how
Yeah. I'm hearing it. Come on.
How it started?
What do you mean?
You trying to take the braid out?
Yeah, there's a rubber band.
Where's rubber band at? Let me see. Come
It's
here.
right here. I can.
Nope.
Really?
I know you a star.
But yeah, y'all, don't have to go. This feels so much better. And the fresh retwist.
Yeah, it's giving like fresh twist. We're gonna get this hook ready.
Okay. I feel much better. I did the hairstyle for as long as I could. I maybe could have gone longer, but there's no competition. But y'all, we're home now, and it's been a long day. It's like 5 o'clock now. We left the house at what? We left the house at like maybe 9:30-ish. We went to the mall. And then we had some food after the mall, and then home. I don't know, can any of y'all relate? Like, I can't do styles for too long. Like my head just be like, ever since I got my locks too, like so tender. Look how long that is. That's crazy. So tender. So I have to be careful. But I'm gonna put my hair up. But yeah, we're home. Happy to be home. We were thinking about maybe going out again, but I don't know. We'll see. We'll definitely see. Snow orange and snow orange. I only have one hair tie. I know I have another one. Hold on. It doesn't matter. I only have one. It's okay. We'll just gonna put these up. Cause these are see like the bumps. That's how you know your style's too tight, when you get the bumps. It's okay to sacrifice for a little bit, but go ahead and take them out if you start getting them little bumps. I'm gonna just put it up like this. Cause not gonna cap, I do look a little crazy. Stay up. For what? Go to sleep. Yeah. Yeah. I feel great. I feel good now. Yo, I feel so much better. I was waiting to do that. I was waiting. I was like, as soon as I get home, I'm going to take them out. And but my hair still looks cute. Like, don't know. I probably won't, like, cause, come on, get words together. I usually will not wear a, I usually won't wear a shower cap when I shower, but I want to preserve the retwist, so I probably will. But a way that my edges came off, I definitely did my edges this morning. That means I need new products for my edges, because we can't be having our edges be coming off. But yeah, when you don't wear the shower cap, that's how your locks, that's what they be doing their ting. But I don't want them to do their ting right now, because I like the length. And they definitely gonna shrink up. Yeah. It's still early. The night's still young. It's around 6, probably 5, 6. Hey guys. Just wanted to, come and make the outro, because I obviously I obviously don't know how to make an outro. Thanks for watching this part of the vlog. I think this part was honestly, I don't know, let me not even say that. This part was a good part though. I did. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. This part was fun though, and I hope you guys enjoyed it because I had fun editing it. So yeah, part 3 will be up next week. That will be the final part, and yeah, that's all. I just came here to say goodbye, close out the video. Thanks for watching, and I hope you guys come back next week. I'll see you guys, you know, whenever I see you guys. Bye.